Hi, welcome to my demo of HTML5. In this demo and the respective series of demo, I intend to show you how to use canvas effectively. I'm kind of fascinated by HTML5 and especially the canvas tag, since I'm an animator as well as a software engineer. This kind of makes it kind of simple. Now, what we are going to try today in this first tutorial would be what you're looking at the screen. As simple as that. It's just a circle drawn and it's moving, nothing more. In the respective series of demos, I'll show you how to use and write program for say dominoes effect, a little bit of 3D cube using 2D canvas, and many others. For all the code, source code, please do visit https://sites.google.com/site/keys2. If you go click on just JavaScript, you'll find all the code over there. It's for free, you can use it. It's mainly for learning purpose. Now let's start. Let me begin. My name is keys2. I'm going to go through a series of steps before I explain. I expect you to see the first video and then move to the second, third and fourth to learn how it's going on. Now in this demo, I'll be splitting it out into 3 steps because it's kind of simple in this case. Okay, and we shall see how it goes. First one, step 1. Your basic HTML head. Note, I'm expecting you to know basic HTML by default. So let's choose HTML. Okay. Now HTML head, blah blah blah, and I choose black so that I can know what is printing out there. I call one main function. I'm a C programmer, so yeah, I'm gonna write like one. I don't like writing this sentence, so yeah, printf. First statement, draw the canvas. Canvas. Now what this represents is as good as MS Paint. MS Paint. This is a canvas area. I'm going to draw something on this. Remember, when you draw something on a canvas and say I draw a second one, the second circle is going to overlap the first one, just like a paint screen, just like a paint. So canvas behaves the same way unless you reset this guy. So once you draw and you draw, boom, reset, and then again once more. So it will work that way, exactly that way. Remember, it's just a paint canvas. Now in this case, I've taken a canvas of size 500, 500 from 0, 0, this end browser. I'm going to use Chrome as of now. As we move on to heavier animations, I'll move to i9 because it's good enough for that. Now step 1, draw canvas. I'm drawing a width of 500. Okay, I'm calling a main function, and I would like to split between drawing and altering the canvas. Alter canvas is where I'm going to do some changes over it. Now first, to do this part, I'm going to consider let's say one circle needs to be drawn first. Remember, it's drawn here first. This point is 100, 100. I'm choosing it randomly, that's it. Okay, and I'm going to move this, so transformation. But first, to draw this circle in the first place, we need an arc. Arc is a tag used within the canvas context. Now arc, what all parameters? Let's see. There is the X location, Y location, radius, start angle, end angle, and this represents clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now since we are going to draw a full-blown circle, it doesn't matter whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can choose any location for the X and Y. The next part would be the radius. Radius, I'm taking it randomly as 50. Start angle 0 to, if you know your math, it's 2 pi. Okay, to draw a full-blown circle. Now it doesn't matter whether you do it clockwise or anti-clockwise, since it's a full circle and not an arc. To draw a full circle, you're going to use the arc tag. Step 2. Alter canvas. I'm going to represent the XY location of the arc function. Radius as 50. Okay, let's hard code these guys. Now to start, canvas element. First we get this guy over here, okay, and we check get context. We get the context of the 2D context of the browser, and remember there are several functions you need to write, that is if ctx exists or not, blah blah blah. That we'll go on later on. As of now, this is just a plain vanilla check. Reset. Reset is a functionality that I'm going to use. It's clear rectangle, the rectangle canvas that we drew. Okay, to clear that, we'll start from 0, 0, 500, 500. Just clear the canvas. We'll just keep in mind this one. Now, the actual function that's going to do the redraw, that is this guy. Okay, we'll place this function later on in an interval so that it keeps on moving in the background. What I'm going to do is transform the x by 1 and y by 2 so that we can see the normal rating. Angle, we'll see a little different angle. Next, stroke style. Stroke style, I'm going to represent a color. I want to give it red color. These two are just to represent the color and the line width. Okay, coming to the final part. Now I'll reset the canvas first before drawing something on it so that you can actually see the drawing. Next by next. Again, it's the same code. Okay, I don't think there is any other change. These are the three lines of extra code what you will see. First we begin the path, we draw the rectangle, again radius 0, math.pi into 2, that is 2 pi, false. So this will draw the circle, and you need to say the canvas, okay, draw it. So that's ctx.stroke. You need to begin path. Now next, I'm putting this function redraw. This particular function is only going to do the redraw, not this crap. So put this redraw into set interval into 100 seconds, no, 100 milliseconds, sorry. And boom, it works. That's it. This is my first demo of HTML5. Thank you very much.